Hi, this is Paula from Hugs Beads. I wanted to show you what I'm working on my mat today. This is a golden sun polymer clay pendant that I've been creating. It's hand painted on the face, and I've been working on the beadwork all the way around. On the back is ultra suede, which gives a nice smooth soft finish. And I'm about to finish the beading around the edge, which is made with these tiny 11/0 glass seed beads. So I'm going to show you how I do that. I already have my needle and thread ready to go, and I'm going to add 2 amber seed beads, and I'm going to come from the back of my work to the front, and I'm going to pull my thread, and those 2 beads will pop into place. Now to secure them, I have to go up from the bottom of that last seed bead added to the top, pull my thread, and that secures the 2 beads on. So let's do that again. Add 2 seed beads, come from the back of my work to the front, pull, and then go back up to the last seed bead added. And there we have it. I'm about to finish this row, and then once I finish this all the way around the edge, I will add a bail to enable it to be hung from a cord necklace. So there we go. That's how I do the beading around the sun pendant necklace. Okay, thanks for watching.